To everyone, today we will have the revision of exercise 13.1 question number 4, 5 and 6. In the previous video we had already did the revision of question 1, 2 and 3, isn't it? So let's see the revision of question number 4. What it says that a machine in a soft drink factory fills 840 bottles in 6 hours. How many bottles will be it filled in 5 hours? So dear student, what we will have to do is we will consider it as an x. What we will consider it as x, since it is asked how many bottles, that means the number of bottles filled by the machine, that we will consider as x. That means number of bottles filled by the machine in 5 hours we will consider it x. Then since it is a direct proportion question, then number of bottles is 840. So if 840 bottles are there, that means it takes how many hours? It will be take 6 hours. Then if 5 hours we are having, then how many bottles will be filled? That will x bottles will be filled. So we will consider that x number of bottles will be filled in 5 hours. So what will be the equation? Since it is a direct proportion, then 840 upon 6 is equals to x upon 5, isn't it? Now cross multiply we will do, that is 6 into x will be 6x and 5 into 840. Okay, now when we are going to do the cross multiplications of this question, we are having as 840 into 5 is equals to 6x, isn't it? Now 840 into 5 upon 6 is equals to x. Solving this equation, we will get the required answer as 700 bottles. So in 5 hours, how many bottles will be filled? That is 700 bottles will be filled in 5 hours. Then question number 5. A photograph of a bacteria enlarged 50,000 times attained in a length of 5 centimeter. What is the actual length of the bacteria if the photograph is enlarged 20,000 times only? What would be its enlarged length? So let the enlarged length we will consider as x. Okay, the actual length of the bacteria will be x and enlarged length of the bacteria will be y. Okay, and photograph enlarged how many times? 20,000 times. So we will consider the solution. So let's see the solution, what it will be. Here we are having the solution. Length of the bacteria is 5. Okay, the number of times photograph of bacteria was enlarged is 50,000. If x will be the length, actual length of the bacteria, it will be enlarged 1 time. If actual length of the bacteria is y, it will be enlarged 20,000 times. Clear? Since the number of times the photograph of bacteria was enlarged and the length of the bacteria are in the direct proportion, therefore 5 upon 50,000 is equals to x upon 1. When you are going to solve, you will get the required answer as, because y, this will be transpose, isn't it? That's why. So 50,000 when 5 one time will be get cancelled and 50,000 will be get cancelled as 10,000. So 10,000 can be written as in the form of power, that is 1 upon 10 to the power 4. Okay, so 1 upon 10 to the power 4 can be written as 10 to the power minus 4 times. Clear everyone? If the length of the bacteria was considered as y times actual length, then the enlarged size of the bacteria is 20,000 times. So solving that equation as 5 upon 50,000 is equals to y upon 20,000. We are going to solve. So we are going to take the value of y is equals to 5 into 20,000 upon 50,000, isn't it? Now cancel the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Zeros will be get cancelled. Here 5 into 2 will be multiplied, isn't it? 5 into 2 will be 10 and here the last denominator 5 is left. So 1 time and 2 times. So what is the answer will be? That is, answer will be 2. Have you understood up to here? So in this way you have to solve. So dear student, we had found the value of x and y both here. What is the value of x we had found it? The value of x we had found it as 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter is the actual length when the enlarged length is considered as 50,000, isn't it? And in the same way, the length of the bacteria when the photograph of bacteria is enlarged 20,000 times will be x, so will be y. So y value we had find it as 2. Therefore x is equals to 10 to the power 4 we had find it, and y is equals to 2. What is the value of x we had find it? 10 to the power minus 4 is the value of x, and what is the value of y we had find it? 2 centimeter. Both are the answers. Both the values of x and y are having centimeter as its unit. So this is the solution of question number 5. Clear? Now in the next question we are going to see question number 6. In a mode of a ship, the mast is 9 centimeter high while the mast of the actual strip is 12 meter high. If the length of the ship is 28 meter, how long is the model ship? So here we will consider the model ship as x centimeter. Let the length of the mast of a model ship be x centimeter. The height of the mast is 9 centimeter, so the length of the model ship will be x. If it is actual ship is 12 meter, then it will be considered as 28. Okay, one by one we will going to see the solutions of this. So in this way we are going to see, since it is in a direct proportion, so 12 upon 9 is equals to 28 upon x, isn't it? So 12x will be get cross multiply 28 into 9. So x is equals to 28 into 9 will be divided by 12. We will get the answer as 21 centimeter. So this is the required answer of this. So for today, thank you everyone. Next video we will have the revision of question numbers 7, 8 and 9. So for today, thank you everyone.